Welcome, I'm filming is a Samsung Galaxy A51 and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. So to get started you want to go into the settings, and from settings let's scroll down to, where is it, device care, right here, and tap on storage, choose your SD card. Actually, let's go back. Where's the... There it is, advanced. And from here we can tap on the SD card and you will find the format button. So tap on format, SD card. The process will begin and it's a fairly brief one. It only takes a couple of seconds. And once it's finished, the card is immediately ready to be used once more as it is right now. So click on done and you're finished with the process. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.